Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market review. The Nifty seems to be cooling off after touching an intraday high of around 6100 levels, and Nifty is currently trading on a flat basis at 6078-608 levels, whereas the Sensex 2 is trading on a flat basis at around 20,000 and at around 20,006 points. Friends, not too much happening in the market today other than a few companies announcing the results. However, some buying is seen in realty stocks, and we've seen HDL up around 3.5%, Sobha Developers up around 2.5%. Also now there's some momentum seeing in DLF, which has been coming down continuously since the past 1 week. Also, Coal India announced its results and the numbers were ahead of street expectations. The stock has reacted positively to this, and Coal India is trading up by around 3.5% as of now. There are a few companies which will be announcing their results today, and to name a few, there is Sun Pharma, which is trading currently down by around 1.5%, GAIL, which is trading up by around 2.5%, and Hindalco, which is trading on a flat basis. Looking at key index stocks, Tata Motors will be announcing its results tomorrow, and not too much action seen in this counter as it's trading on a flat basis down by around 0.5%. Whereas other index stocks like Reliance, L&T, SBI all trading almost flat, up by around 1%, up by around 0.5 to 1% as of now. The key gainers in the Sensex so far have been Coal India, GAIL, Bharti Airtel and BHEL, and the top losers in the Sensex so far have been Sun Pharma, Sterlite Industries, M&M and HDFC Limited. That's it, friends, from the mid-market review. We'll catch you in the post-market session. Thank you. Have a nice trading day.